In this video, I will show you how to make your Windows 11 computer faster. If you're new here, welcome. I post simple and powerful tech tutorials every week to help you fix problems quickly. If you find this helpful, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Alright, let's jump straight into speeding up your Windows 11 PC. I know how annoying it is when your PC starts to lag, slow down, or face issues like that. So in this video, I'll show you some of the best software and a few simple tricks you can use to increase your Windows speed. First, let's clean your system properly. Over time, a lot of junk files, trackers, and background clutter build up, and that's one of the biggest reasons your PC slows down. So here's what you need to do. Download a trusted cleaning tool like CCleaner. You will find all the software links in the description. Now click on free download. Once it's downloaded, follow the instructions and install it. I already have it installed, so let's open it out here. Go straight to the health check section. Click scan. Let it analyze your system and then hit clean. This will remove temporary files, browser junk, unnecessary background data. You'll instantly free up space and reduce the load on your system, but stick to the default settings. Don't mess with advanced options unless you know what you're doing. Next, let's deal with hidden threats. Sometimes your PC feels slow not because of storage, but because of malware running in the background. For this, download Malwarebytes on your PC. After downloading and installing it, open the software, click scan, and let it run a full system check. This might take a few minutes depending on how many files you have, but it's worth it. Once the scan is done, review the results. Select everything suspicious if found. Click quarantine or remove. This step is crucial because hidden malware can silently use your CPU and RAM. Even if you think your PC is clean, run this scan. Now here's the trick most people don't know. And it works instantly. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. A small box will appear. Type this exactly, %temp%, then hit enter. You'll see a folder full of temporary files. These files are safe to delete. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then hit delete. If some files don't delete, just click skip. That's normal. After that, don't forget to empty your recycle bin. This alone can remove hundreds of megabytes, sometimes even gigabytes, of useless data. Also, restart your PC regularly. Most people don't do this and keep their system running for days. A simple restart clears memory, stops background processes, refreshes system performance. Do it at least once every couple of days. It's also very important to check software before downloading it. Not all PC booster tools are safe. Some programs can actually slow down your system or install unwanted software. So always, use trusted tools. Avoid random downloads. Do basic research before installing anything. Follow these steps once or twice a week, and your PC will stay fast and smooth. If this helped you, drop a like. It really supports the channel.